CRI ADX2 has excellent support for the web. After obtaining the web SDK from the customer service, let's take a look at what's inside. The samples folder contains a demonstration web project. Run a Python server and then access it. There are 7 sub-pages here, demonstrating different functions.
轟翼16歳、無事に任務を完了いたしました。初めてのことばっかりで、ものすごく
Let's take a look at the library files. CRI ADX2.API.js is an annotation document for the interface. It is for reference and does not need to be imported. Originally in Japanese, I translated it into Chinese using AI. The ones that really need to be imported are CRI ADX2.dev.js or CRI ADX2.min.js. Use the dev version during development and the min version for release. That is to say, the 698K JavaScript file contains the entire sound engine. Compared with Wise, CRI is an engine completely rewritten in JavaScript for the web. It is much more convenient and efficient than Wise on the web. Import CRI ADX2.dev.js into the HTML of your own test project. Because the web side engine forcibly requires the editor to build resources targeting WebGL. Otherwise, it will report an error. However, neither the trial version provided by the customer service nor the freela version editor can build resources targeting WebGL. So we can only use the resources in samples for playback testing. First, load the ACF file. Then load the ACB and ACW files. Create a player and set up a playback callback. I originally wanted to use the beat callback, but it didn't work. I guess the editor project didn't add beat sync to the music. Here, we use the callback of state change to change the color of the square, which will do for now. Use buttons to play music and sound effects, and use sliders to change the cutoff of high, low cut. Run a Python server and access it. Similar to Wise, both use the Web Audio API to play audio at the bottom. The difference is that Wise uses Emscripten to map from C++ to web interfaces, while CRI directly calls web interfaces using JavaScript. To really use it, you need to purchase or apply for an editor that can build WebGL target resources. Thank you for watching.